Hey guys, and welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Well, you know exactly the type of person I am. I like to share as much information to you guys, so that way you have a better BMW experience, whether it's, DIYs on the, N54, FYI videos, like, hey, this is what's gonna fail on your BMW, stuff like that. Well, I'm here to talk about a new product that's out right at this moment. Like as of yesterday, it just came out on the Google Play Store. Now, if you've ever heard of XHP Flash Tool, they brought you that transmission flashing so that way you can get faster shifts, much better driving experience just because of those smoother, faster shifts, and they have taken over on that front. They do a great job on all their maps that they have and the customer support behind them. Well, they came out with something new. So in this video, we're gonna talk about how you can turn your xDrive equipped BMW into a full rear-wheel drive mode in 30 seconds. So you may be wondering, what is this about? What I'm talking about is called xDelete. So from who brought you XHP Flash Tool, they came out with xDelete. Now xDelete is of course the flashing program to where you can disable your xDrive system and turn it full rear-wheel drive. Now I already have rear-wheel drive on my car, so this is not gonna apply to me, but I know a lot of folks that are already trying to jump on this bandwagon to turn their xDrive into full rear-wheel drive. Now this supports all E90, E91, and E92 3 Series BMWs. So there will soon be support for the X5 E70 and the X6 E71. That's coming up here in a few days. Also come in Q1 2019, F-Series support is gonna be coming out so that way you guys can utilize this great tool. Now for $149, you're able to disable that xDrive system and turn your car into full rear-wheel drive mode. Now, of course, that gives you a much different user experience being, rear-wheel drive versus all-wheel drive, and the ability to be able to change back and forth with the app makes it even better. So, of course, the hardware that you're gonna need, it's on an Android-based system as of right now, but don't worry, iOS is coming here in 2019. But you're gonna need 5.0 Android or higher to do that, a KDCAN cable, so that way you can flash, or the Thor Wi-Fi adapter. It's of course 100% safe for your BMW, as you know the reputation for XHP Flash Tool. So it's the same company, they're bringing the same safety features, and they know exactly what they're doing. It's not detected by the dealer, no fault codes triggered whatsoever, and your ABS, steering assist, and DSC still stays fully functional. Well guys, it's easy as that, spreading that information to you guys so that way you can go ahead and check it out. It is, like I said, available in that Google Play Store. I'll link the link down below so that way you can head right on over to that so you can check it out. And it comes backed by, XHP Flash Tool. So it makes it nice because it's not like yet another new company coming in and trying to do all these different things. You already have someone that knows what they're doing, trying to do this for you. So here I am sharing the news off to you. I'm excited to hear more feedback from the people personally that I know that have all-wheel drive equipped BMW that's gonna try this out right now. Like I said, it's available right at this moment, so don't delay. And also with the F-Series coming, and then of course iOS, everybody's covered because I know there was a lot of iOS guys, including myself, but an Android tablet is very inexpensive and it's something that I have with, MHD and everything else. So don't worry too much about the whole Android iOS thing. Just pick yourself up an Android tablet. You can use it for a bunch of other different apps that are out there and different programs that you need to run for your BMW, and you'll use it more than just once. Well, that does it for today. Thanks for stopping in. Big thumbs up on this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my other DIYs that I have on the channel, of course, for the BMW N54, all kinds of tuning stuff, things to look out for, like I mentioned, and just my overall motto for this channel is to help you guys out when you have your BMW, so that way you do have a better ownership experience, and just to keep you in the know. I'm here to keep you informed and to share all the good stuff that's coming out as soon as possible, like I'm doing now. All right, thanks again. Hope you have a great day.